Take it off, take the cutter key out. Undo the prop nut. Pull out the aft adapter. Take the prop off. If the thrust washer gets stuck, get something long and metal and kind of pin it up under the thrust washer where you're resting on the gear case and pop it, and that'll pop it loose. Putting the sleeve in. Only goes in one way. It might not go all the way down. Try and press it with your fingers. Or knock it down the board. You may or may not need this piece. The Rev 4 actually does. That's all there is, putting it in to take it out. Get your aft adapter. It slides in one way. Get it where it does not line up. Hit it with a board and you'll knock it out the front. Here's the thrust washers up close. You can see the different ones. See the large cone edge. That's the part that goes towards the gear case. This is a Honda, Mercury, Suzuki, Yamaha. They're all different on the side that's facing the gear case. On the back side, they're all the same because they're all going to the same props. You know, Mercury or Quicksilver or Michigan wheel. Prop on, get your thrust washer with the cone, the large end of the cone going towards the gear case. Put the sleeve in the prop. Aft adapter. Some hub kits might have an extra washer or spline washer to take up some space. This one doesn't, so it's going straight to the nut. I normally go about 55 pounds. Some of them require 100. I rarely go that high. Put the cotter key back in. That's it.